question, it is very simple. Okay, so what they ask means the speed ratio. Okay, so mainly the speed ratio of a ship in still water, simply water. Okay, and the ratio of the current means what? So automatically the water will be flowing in one speed, is it right? Sometimes the water flow will be very high, so that represented by water current. Okay, the ratio is 4 is to 1. Ship speed is 4 and the water speed is 1. Okay, so if the ship goes along the current in 15 minutes, along means for automatically the ship, it is like suppose if you are riding a bike, and if there comes a slope means you don't want to give the acceleration automatically. If you simply have the bike means the bike will go straight away in the slope, is it right? So you have to minus your speed. Okay, so I should say that upstream means what? Automatically you are going with the current. So if you take this 4, okay, so this 4 and the current speed you take it as x. Okay, so you just take the speed of current, okay, as x. So upstream means 4x minus x, because I told you right, if you are going by bike and if you find the slope means automatically you will leave the hand from the accelerator, so automatically 4x minus is 3x. Okay, and when you go for the downstream, so I go for a downstream means what? Automatically you have to use the actual speed of the bike also with the stream of the thing also, it will be 5x. Okay, so listen here, upstream means don't say downstream means we are going down the slope, not like that. Upstream means you are using the current of the water, downstream means you are not using, so you have to add extra acceleration. You know, so when you are going up, you are climbing up means you have to give addition of acceleration, that is called what? Plus x. Okay, now it's 5x. So the speed you are having is the speed ratio. Okay, so speed ratio means what? You want to take the speed, so 3x for the upstream and is to 5x for downstream. So automatically what they say is if the ship goes along the current means it will be going in 15 minutes. Along means what? Upstream. So along means what? Now it's 3x is the along, so 3x that should be equal to 15. Okay, so automatically you know x value is equal to 15 divided by 3, that's equal to 5. So you know the value of x is equal to 5, is it right? Now what they have asked, when it will come back means what? You want to go opposite, so that means what? This is 5, is it right? That is a 1. So you are going along means 3x, you are coming back means what? You are coming against the stream is going down and you are coming back, so you have to face the stream, that means what? Face the force of the stream also, so you have to get this value. Come back means what? 5. I told you right, you are going along the current means 3x. Suppose if you are coming opposite to the current means you have to add extra acceleration, you are climbing up the hill, so you have to add extra supply of current, so you get a 5x. That is called against, that means come back means what? You are coming against your own direction, so that means what? 5 into x, you know the value of x is 5, so 5 into 5 which is equal to 25, that's the time. Okay, so I'm going to give 25. Okay, if there are any doubts or anything means you just make a comment. Okay, comment box. Thank you.